I'm gonna show you how to create a course in Builderall. So to get started, you have to open your Builderall account and then sign in into this one. And then from there, when you go to the left side pane, you will see the custom or the button build right there. Click on this one and then you can see it at the bottom, build a course. You have to click on build a course and then you will be redirected to the next page. So in your dashboard, you can see a button says new course. You just have to click on new course right here. And then after you click on new course, you just have to customize this one by inputting the name of the course, your instructors, and then the category of your course. Of course, you have to select, you can add more instructor there by clicking the plus button. You can add all the expertise there. And also the category, there's a lot of categories, so you just have to choose whatever you want. And then once you've done with that, you just have to click on next. And then from here, you just have to upload a logo of your course right here. So when you're done uploading a logo, just have to click on next and then click on create to finish creating a course. And when you're done creating a course, you can now customize it by doing on this page right here. If you have any missed part or you didn't filled up, you can edit it all in right here. So from there, you can also share the domain or the link for your course right here. Then copy it and then share it to whatever you want. And then from there, when you're done customizing it, just go to the save button above. And then to check your course, of course, you have to go to your dashboard right here. And then there it is. There's your course. So that's how to create a course in Builderall.